Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How to Log In. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Twitch. Keep watching the video till the end, and if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open any web browser, and in the URL box type in www.twitch.tv and press the enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Twitch. Now, in order to log in, go and click on the login button at the upper right corner. This will bring out a menu where you can log into your account, entering your username and your password. If you don't have an account yet, you can move on to the sign up tab and register first. Once you have an account, you can easily type in the username in the text field and move on to the next field and type in your password. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this trouble logging in link and follow the instructions in order to reset your password or to look for your username. Once you type in your password, double check your password by clicking on this eye icon at the right corner, and once you have typed in the correct one, click on the login button. You can also log in with your Facebook account. To do so, click on Connect with Facebook. In my case, I'm using the username and password option, so let me click on the login button over here. And soon after you do that, you'll find yourself inside your Twitch account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.